Now let's go ahead with the wig. So the line I'm going to give with plain black color and slightly kind of spreading the line on the yellow flame to give a little natural effect. And here I'm going to use cobalt blue for giving a little more definite base of the stand on which the candle is placed, and blurring it out. And now I'm going to give that small flame reflection that you can see in the reference. You know, it's like the glass reflection of the flame, so the little like a little lighter yellow shade and a little bit of wick drawn over there. And now I'm going to take black, a little watery, and going to give the stark panel, rectangular panel vertically, which you can see on the right, and towards the bottom I'm going to blur it a little bit with water. On top it's going to be a little more darker, and I've turned my book around to make sure that my rhymes turn out neat. Just added some more black towards the top. Similarly, I can see some more vertical panels, rectangular panels, which I am trying to imitate. So using plain black color, which is not very dark, watery. So I'm turning my book around as to give a really neat line, and I'm trying to imitate from the reference which is given on the side. Towards the bottom I'm going to give a little faded line, so I'm going to make it more watery towards the bottom, and if you can see, it overlaps the oval shape which we have drawn as the base below the candle. These vertical lines overlap that shape. Taking black plus cerulean blue, watery, and giving this effect which I can see in the reference. It's a weird shape, but that's how we are going to go with it. Transparent looking light color.